Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is the apartment, our apartment in Mecca. It's a 5-star, I could say 5-star apartment. Look at the air conditioner and the features. And inshallah, the beds will be really like 4-star ones. Look at the doors. It's brand new. And mashallah, the Hujjaj will love it. So we have done this little video to show you what it looks like. So see it. It's very nice apartment, amazing apartment. And that's the door. These are the doors for you go through these rooms and you go to the rooms, and also this is the elevator, and that's the main door. And there is a car, a friend waiting for me there. So inshallah people will be very happy. These are the walls. This is a brand new, it has just been done, and there is a little bit of dust because it has not been properly cleaned, but I can say this is at least 4-star and maybe 5-star. Look at the features of the lights. You know, it's amazing the way that was done. Barakallahu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.